Today's panel discussion was about smart technology and how it influences home design. Absolutely blew my mind. I want everything that they haven't designed yet and actually all the things that they already have. I thought that one of the most interesting points was about letting technology make us less reliant, and that is actually where smart technology is going. In the past, perhaps it's been like, oh, that's making it easy for us. But now humanity is coming back into design and we actually want to be less reliant, even on just simple things like our phones. But that was very interesting hearing the designers say, we want to make it beautiful, we want to make it functional, we want it to help you, but we still want you to be reliant on yourselves.
We're seeing things like voice-activated lights, Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, but that is just the beginning. I think what we're really going to be moving towards is just having these smart homes where we don't even necessarily have to talk to them. They'll know us better than we know ourselves, what temperature we want, when we've entered a room, pretty much everything. It's going to be our best friend.
To be mindful about how you work with your handheld devices, so to more or less check in and check out when you go into your house, and at the same time have induction charging of it. That was a smart thing. It was about sense as well. It was a lot about, I would say, emotional design, so how to get into yourself and to live a better life.
Senses are incredibly important in the home. They actually connect us back with the past. There's this sense of nostalgia, well-being, this sense of belonging, where we're so much more emotionally connected and invested when we connect with our senses. We know that we spend a lot of time in our homes being physically present, but what's more important in the future is that we're also mentally present.
What guides me in my design process is very much you need to find a purpose for the thing. You need to find why I'm doing this and what's the function for the product to be clever. And if I talk about next step of IKEA when it comes to a smart home, one thing could be that we integrate it in the furniture in a better way. And that could also be a choice for the customer then to buy a sofa, for example, and do I want the speakers with that sofa or not? So we prepare for that.
The smart light thing was interesting because I haven't really seen it in depth before, but I have heard of it. You kind of forget about the very simple things. If you can really make those easy, kind of brings it back that would be something that would really engage people to kind of embrace that kind of technology if that can be implemented.